Hey guys, welcome back to Bimmer PhD. I'm your host Tim, and today I'm going to show you the power of BG dynamic engine cleaning. What is dynamic engine cleaning, you ask? Well, on engines that have severe varnish from lack of oil changes, like the 1995 525 that's behind me, came in, had gone to another shop, and it was having trouble passing smog. So we went ahead and inspected the vehicle and found oil leaks, vacuum leaks. The engine oil was so thick and sludgy in there that an oil change wouldn't fix it. So that's what dynamic engine cleaning does. You replace the engine oil with this cleaner, it melts all the varnish and the deposits off, and then we go ahead and flush it out. So let me show you. You can see it's smoking here. We've got the chemical inside. Shane is going to wipe off the debris. And here you could see how nasty this varnish is coming off. So the BG chemical that's inside of here is melting all these deposits. Now I'm going to show you what happened to the cap. Alright, so this is the cap, and this is the same material that's inside. Throughout the entire engine, it's varnished and gunked up like this. So look what the chemical did. It allowed it to get loose. Now we're just rushing it all off. Loosened up all of the varnish that was in here. So we're not quite done with the service. We're going to go ahead and replace the filter and continue on with our BG dynamic engine cleaning. Engine cleaning round 2. All right, so if you can come take a closer look over here. Look at how the deposits are formed on the oil filter or melting, oil filter housing. And look at this. So slowly but surely, all of these deposits are melting inside the engine as well. On the seals, we can definitely feel it in the power improvement that we're experiencing while we're driving the car. So what's inside, what has replaced the engine oil right now, is the dynamic engine cleaning from BG, and it's melting all of these deposits into the fluid system through transfer of heat. And let me show you what the filters look like. So this one is the very first filter that we had, and you can see already the pleats have turned all gray. This is the second one that we just came back. Mind you, we're doing about 20 miles on a 20-minute road test. And in comparison, this is how the filter starts brand new. So, wow, what a tremendous difference. So, we'll keep going at it, and I'll keep you guys updated as we go into round 3. And then afterward, we're going to replace that with the BG rinse, and then change a few more filters. This engine's gonna run amazing when we're done. All right, guys, we're back under the car, and we are draining the EPR. I'm sorry, the dynamic engine cleaning. Holy moly, look at this. Look at the color of this thing. This was a clear cleaner when we put it in. Looks like tar coming out. And then let me show you over here. Filter 1, filter 2, and then finally the third filter. We decided to go 3 filters and 60 miles on this dynamic engine cleaner. So last drive, it feels really, really good. And we're gonna go ahead and put the flush chemical in it right now, and a new filter, go for another final drive and see what that looks like. In the meantime, we also took advantage to go ahead and replace the 5 liters of transmission fluid. Transmission was feeling a little soft and mushy, so we didn't want to burn up the fluid. We know we're cooling the transmission because we've got fresh coolant in the system. And now we'll put some cleaner in it and keep you guys posted. Thanks for watching.